Hello there. I've just got a really quick tip in Microsoft Excel. It is a simple AutoSum function that you can do, and it's fairly easy. I've been used to just, if I wanted to sum things in a column, I've just selected them all, come up here, and basically hit the sum and then it will give me the answer, which in this case is 110. There is another way to do that without having to drag and then go up here and select. You can actually just put your cursor wherever you want the number to show, somewhere below the column. Then you hold, and I just typed it over here, Alt equal. So all I'm doing is I'm not showing you this my keyboard, but I'm holding the Alt key and the equal sign. Boom, hit enter. There it is, 110. The same is true for going across rows. If I had numbers across a row like this, and I wanted to add them all up, I've got the option. Yeah, I could go in here and do something like that. Come up here and hit the sum button. Oh, and they add up to 15. I could do it that way. Or all I had to do is put my cursor to the right in this row. Once again, Alt equals enter. And there it is. That's just kind of an easy way to do an auto sum without having and it works on a whole range. So you just go for a row, you just go to the right and then type Alt equals and then enter. And you want to hold the Alt key as you type the equal sign when you do that. Or in the case of a column, you saw how I did that there. I just type Alt equal and and then the enter sign. So hopefully that's helpful. Another little Microsoft Excel tip. And I've got a couple of these. I'm starting to build some more of these little quick tip videos. Check out the playlist. Please like, share, subscribe. If you got any questions, feel free to hand them in and give them to me. And I will see you in the next video.